Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we're still a few days away from the official start of fall, but certainly are getting some fall type weather in here as we saw our overnight low temperatures dip into the 50s last night. Here at Wallops, we reported an overnight low at 57 degrees, and the next several nights we'll see low temperatures going down into the 50s. So, some very cool readings for us on the way as far as temperatures go. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see that high pressure settling in over the northeastern United States, providing us with a pretty stiff northeasterly flow that we are going to continue to see here over the next few days, and that will continue to bring in some even cooler weather conditions for us as we go through the end of the week. It looks like we'll struggle to get out of the 60s today. Should make it into the low 70s for daytime highs this afternoon for a short period of time, but as we go into the end of the week, we're going to see temperatures unseasonably cool continuing through Friday. Taking a look here at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, there's winds generally out of a northeasterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere. We may turn more north to northwesterly in direction as we get up to about 25,000 feet. Winds fairly stable as far as speed is concerned throughout the column, with anywhere from about 20 to 30 knots from the surface on up to about 25,000 feet. Freezing level this morning was at 14,100 feet. I want to take a quick look at radar. As you can see here, not a whole lot to look at as far as precipitation goes. We do see this northeast flow continuing to push some lower level stratus through our region. Over the course of the next few hours, we'll likely see an increase in that lower level cloudiness, and also the potential of some widely scattered to isolated showers popping up across the Delmarva Peninsula as well. You can see some of those well off to our northeast off the coast this morning. I don't think we've got a very good shot at picking up any of that here at Wallops, but should see just a very slight chance of that occurring this afternoon. I want to switch gears here and look at the visible satellite. You can see, again, some of those low clouds starting to make their way down the peninsula from the northeast this morning, and we're going to continue again to see some of that fill in as we go into the morning and afternoon hours. We'll likely average out mostly cloudy with our sky cover as we go throughout the day today. I want to look here at our short range model and see what we can expect as far as the conditions for this afternoon. Again, this model picking up on some of those widely scattered to isolated showers later on this afternoon as we go throughout the day and into the evening hours. Overnight tonight, expecting to stay dry with partly to mostly cloudy skies and another cool evening setting up for us. And then during the day on Thursday, we'll likely see this onshore flow begin to relax a bit as we go into the afternoon. Still seeing breezy conditions during the morning hours of Thursday, but during the afternoon, we'll likely see that let up a bit. And as a result, we'll see more clear sky conditions in store for us as we go into Thursday night and into Friday and into the weekend. Especially, we'll see mostly sunny to clear skies continuing through the extended period. I want to look here at our GFS long range model and what we can expect for the weekend. You can see really no precipitation showing up on the model for Saturday and Sunday, and we're going to see very little in the way of cloudiness as well. Warmer temperatures expected for the weekend too. We'll see those high temperatures push into the low to mid 80s, and really an absolutely gorgeous weekend setting up for us for the extended period, as we'll see some warm and sunny conditions for both Saturday and Sunday. As we go into the beginning of next week, this dry weather pattern will continue, seeing just a slight chance of a few showers crossing the region during the day on Tuesday. As you can see here, this is going to be a pretty moisture-starved front, and the chances are going to be pretty slim of seeing any precipitation on Tuesday as well, but that looks like our next chance for any kind of precipitation for the next 7 days. I want to take a look here at our tropical update here. Last advisory from the National Hurricane Center with Hurricane Humberto, with maximum sustained winds of 115 miles per hour, moving off to the east-northeast at 16 miles per hour, and we'll be moving just north of Bermuda as we go through the later portion of the day and into the evening hours tonight. So conditions will be going downhill as this is expected to maintain its intensity over the course of the next few hours as it crosses closer to Bermuda. You can see here on the zoomed in infrared satellite a pretty healthy storm this morning, and again we'll be crossing just to the north of Bermuda, so they will see pretty significant impacts from this storm over the course of the next several hours as it moves through later on tonight. So back here at Wallops, taking a look at our next 24 hours, we're going to be seeing the winds bumping up this morning into the afternoon. Winds expected to be gusting right around 25 knots as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours. So the possibility is there that we will have to issue a wind advisory later on this afternoon. Currently only seeing winds around 15 miles per hour, but we will see those winds increasing as we go throughout the day today. Overnight tonight, another cool evening in store for us, getting down to a low temperature of 56 degrees with that northeast flow continuing. And then for the next 7 days, expecting cool temperatures for the next few days here as we end the work week. Highs only around 70 degrees for the next couple of days, and then warming up as we head into the weekend. 77 degrees by Friday after a very chilly morning of 52 degrees expected Friday morning, and then on into the weekend expecting very nice conditions. Those temperatures back into the 80s with sunny skies expected for both Saturday and Sunday. And again, our next chance of seeing really anything in the way of showers will likely be Tuesday at the earliest, as we'll see about a 10% chance of some isolated showers with a weak frontal boundary that will be moving through the region. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. Have a nice day.